What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got a pretty exciting unboxing, a big diecast haul of brand spanking new NASCAR diecast. Let me go ahead and get this out of the way here. Apologies for the voice, but I left it in Atlanta on Saturday night when Chase Elliott won that race. I was there. I'll insert a clip.
Let's go! Holy shit! Oh, baby!
Prove that I don't have a voice and where it came from. But that's not going to stop me from showing off the goods right here, right now. We'll start off. We can go ahead and see the first little piece. But first off, K-State diecast on eBay. Uh-oh, there's a... Never mind, thought I was giving a free code away. Guess not, maybe. But on eBay, their K-State diecast account is where I get most of my diecast the second they come out. Sometimes people ask me where I get my diecast. There you go. But first up, we'll show this right here, the suspense. Here's the back of the package. There's a cat going in my box real quick. Hey, PJ, get out of here, please. Okay, so this is the Jeff Gordon and Kyle Larson Brickyard win set. Of course, Larson, the 2024 Brickyard 400 winner. Jeff Gordon, 1994 inaugural winner. 2004 winner. 2014 winner. So, Hendrick Motorsports has won every single Brickyard where the year ends in a 4. 94, 04, 14, 24. Chase Elliott, I'm looking at you. 2034, I'm looking at you. But anyways, so here's the cool box, the 30th anniversary packaging for the Hendrick Motorsports 40th year. That was last year. Here's the back of the package, the Larson the Larson car. Limited edition 2024 and 1994. There's Larson's win, Gordon's car, and Larson's win. So there's the first diecast up. Then looks like we're gonna get a box inside of a box that I can try to open rather slowly. But anyways, so first up, dang, my voice. Christopher Bell's DeWalt 2025 JGR number 20. DeWalt, loyal sponsor of JGR and Christopher Bell, but mostly JGR. Good looking, of course. Next up, we've got Kyle Larson 2025 Valvoline number 5 Chevrolet. Pretty cool diecast here. It's a touch bit different from the Valvolines of years past. Probably can't tell from here. I have to get them both out. Next, Martin Truex Jr. number 19 Bass Pro Shops Memory Lane Edition 2024 Toyota for the Joe Gibbs Racing. And while I've got these here, check it out. The Joe Gibbs Racing rebrand logo there, and of course the classic Joe Gibbs Racing logo on the 2024 version. So there's a little nugget. Next up, oh, here we go. Chase Elliott, the man himself, Lumar number 9. I gotta be completely honest, I was not a big fan of this scheme when it first came out until I saw it on track at Mexico City, and then I thought it looked really good. Can't really say in person, but it looked really good on TV, racing around the racetrack. So now it's growing on me. I like this scheme. Lumar, no offense to them or anything, does minimum with their schemes, but hey, screw it. I like it. Next up out of the box, another Truex here. This is the Martin Truex Jr. Bass Pro Shops Legacy Toyota Camry 2024 season. Good looking stuff from MTJ. Glad to get both of those from him. Joey Logano, 2025-22 shell. And of course, this is just a tiny bit of a different design versus years past. Once again, that'd show up more if I had them side by side. But it was just enough of a difference for me to get it. Probably wouldn't have got it if it was the exact same. Okay, let's see. I'm trying to... Okay, so there's what we got left. Chris Buescher, 2024 RFK 17. Watkins Glen race winning diecast. There's SVG's back tire. Really good finish out there last season. One of the classic road courses that we see every year. Next up, Kyle Larson's 2024 Bristol playoff win. A race I was at, a race he dominates every single time they go there. This is the prettiest isn't the right word. This is the cleanest raced version I've ever seen in my life for a Bristol race. Maybe we'd have to get it out to take a look to fact check that, but goodness gracious. You can barely tell. This just looks like it's the diecast. The clean version. All right. I kind of saved the best for last, kind of, because these last four I really like. Connor Zilic, 2025. RV Share. I don't know if that's KOA or if it's Koa, actually pronounced. So, whoops. But I like Connor Zilic. He's probably my favorite Xfinity guy. I'm always big on JRM anyways, and he's probably top of that list. Speaking of Junior, here's a late model for Dale Earnhardt Jr.'s 2025 Bass Pro Shops. Gorgeous, of course. Late models look great. The diecast casting and model looks great, as always. Hoosier tires. Down to the final two. I'm definitely going to save what I think is the best for last. Because next to last, AJ Allmendinger's 2024 Las Vegas win. Pretty cool. AJ Allmendinger getting an oval win. Kind of rare. So that's cool that he got one there at the end of last season in the Xfinity Series before he moved back up to Cup. Las Vegas playoff win. And last diecast of the box and of the video. Ooh, looks good to me. Jeff Gordon's NASCAR Classics Dover win 1996 Monte Carlo. Damage, red wheels, sun protector, sun support there. That's the one. I definitely saved the best for last. But let me hear from you guys, and you tell me what the best diecast of the video was down in the comments. Let me try to get everything together so it'll be easier for you guys to see them all and pick one. So let's just chuck them. All right, so there it is. Kind of there. 12 diecast there, and then this 2-pack to make 14 diecast for the video. So there you go. Leave a comment on which diecast you like the best from this video. Like this video. Comment that comment and subscribe for more. Catch you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot.